Retire like a genius.
How to become a life insurance genius. Life insurance is taken out by a person to protect the financial well-being of a family or business interests in case of their death. Life insurance policies are a legal contract between an insurance policyholder and an insurance company who promises to pay a designated beneficiary a specified amount of money upon death of the person covered by the policy in exchange for premium payments. Life insurance comes in a variety of forms, such as term policies, which last for a specified period of time at a fixed and often more affordable premium level, permanent policies, such as universal life or whole life, that will remain in force as long as premiums are paid and that have the ability to build up cash surrender value, and variable policies, which can act as investment vehicles where they can be tied to the performance of securities markets. Depending on the policy, other events such as terminal illness, critical illness, or need for long-term care can also trigger payments. Term life policies are designed to be an affordable way for someone to buy life insurance coverage for a specific period of time, and often provide the option to convert the policy later to a permanent policy without the need for additional underwriting. Life insurance policies will pay the death benefit tax-free to the beneficiaries, and the policy owner is responsible for making premium payments to keep a policy in force. Life insurance policies are legally recognized as an asset and the personal property of the policy owner, who have the right to assign any beneficiary they want, take out loans with their policies, surrender the policy for any built-up cash value, or for a policy that is no longer needed or wanted, they can sell the policy through a life settlement and receive a lump sum payment. As is always the case with purchasing insurance, the younger and healthier a person is when they buy the policy, the better their options and the more affordable premiums they'll be able to obtain.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. Visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.